trap, I grew up in the trap. No, I ain't faking no image. 6 to the motor, no him. Lately been doing more saving and spending. I been thumbing through bins, I double the price. Tell them tap in with me. Could pick anything out the flow, get your shit to your dough, shit get right out from Memphis. These niggas be acting like bitches, ain't stick to the code while they ain't here with me. Taking these risks while I'm city to city. Probably she got bad bitches showing they titties. Gonna make sure my seed life litty. I had it ugly, so they got it pretty. Send the bitch as a bake me a cake. If you think what you meet, then I'm dropping the bitch. Since I was young, I knew life was a gamble. If you know me, know I'm taking the risk. Found out my bitch from my bitch and it left me in shambles. Never the type to go drop me a diss. I'm the type to get money, get missed. You ain't put in on this, so you know you ain't hitting it. I want with the talking, I'm really about action. I had to go show 'em I'm different. Niggas don't want no static, I run with some snipers, hit shit from a distance. Make shit disappear like it's magic, ain't smoking no bad, but this shit here is hidden. No, I fuck with hit motion in it. I ain't get shit but hit with the pussy with 10. 180 or better on that. Fast shit, know that this shit ain't a rental. No, I was born in December,